Hi and welcome to the Blue Globe 27 channel. My name is Grant and today we are going to have a look at the quick entry option in the inventory node available in Sage 200 Evolution version 9.10 or higher. Some of the benefits of using the quick entry option are: you can quickly and easily type some of the information directly into quick entry, which will create the inventory item master file without opening a new master file. And you can enter new stock items in a batch format, which will allow you to record some of the item master file data, such as item groups, categories, and prices copied directly from an Excel spreadsheet. Let us take a look and see how that is done. To access the quick entry option, you select the inventory node in the system tree. Under maintenance, go to the inventory item, and here you select the quick entry option. This allows you to type the information of the new inventory item directly into the master file. I'm going to add a labor code. The description automatically gets generated, and we can then add a description 2, description 3, it's not going to be a warehouse item, it's not going to be a serial item, it's going to be a service item, and it's going to be in the category of labor. In order to use the item category and groups, these need to be pre-populated with the right categories and groups already selected, otherwise it will not show anything and leave the field blank. The cost of labor, I'm going to make it 50 Rand as the first price, 60 Rand as the second price, and 70 Rand as the third price. We validate it, make sure that everything is okay, save it, and there we have our first item populated in the inventory master file. Let's have a look at that file. The labor code is labor, the description's labor. We then type the description 2, description 3. We can see it's active, it's a service item, it's commissionable, and we decided that it's not going to be a warehouse item. Let's have a look and see how we can enter the Excel template. The Excel template must have the correct column names and be identical to the quick entry format with no different spaces or spelling. On the Excel spreadsheet, select all the headers and item information and copy that. Once you've copied it, select the line on the quick entry, right click, select the copy from Excel option, and all the information will be pasted into the quick entry. As we can see in the warehouse item column, that only one item has got the warehouse ticked when all the items should have the warehouse items ticked. So in order to do that, we're going to select it and then copy down from the option up at the top, say yes, and all the warehouse items are now ticked for each of those items. But also in the item category side, we see we've got a whole bunch of blank fields over here, and as mentioned earlier, we need to make sure that these are populated with the correct item categories. If we select here, those are the options that are available, and in the spreadsheet the item category for these items was other. In order to correct this, we can right click into the column, say add new, create the other category, and then, as previously shown, you can then copy them down. And here we have the complete item file as per the items on our Excel spreadsheet. We can validate them. We're happy with the validation, and we can save it. And all those items are now brought into our inventory list in our inventory node. If you'd like to know more about the quick entry or any other feature in Sage Evolution, please don't hesitate to give us a call or email us at blueglobe27. Thank you for watching.